The 2015 Volvo S60 Census Infotainment System commonly experiences three major issues as these systems age. Let's identify these problems and learn quick troubleshooting solutions. These issues typically stem from software corruption, aging hardware components like capacitors, temperature sensitivity, or power supply fluctuations. Now let's explore the solutions. For black screen issues, start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then wait 30 seconds before restarting the system. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for at least 30 minutes. This clears the system memory completely. For audio system failures, you can reset just the audio component through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset, and select Audio Only. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve many common infotainment issues. If problems persist, more advanced diagnostic procedures may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve your Volvo's infotainment issues, it's time to explore advanced solutions and consider long-term options for your aging system. For persistent software issues, you can attempt a factory reset using Volvo's hidden service menu. This powerful reset option can resolve many software corruption problems that standard resets cannot fix. When software solutions fail, hardware replacement becomes necessary. Common hardware failures include memory modules, display units, and complete system components that degrade over time. Age significantly impacts system reliability. The failure rate increases by 8% annually after year 7, with extreme temperatures accelerating component degradation by up to 35%. As original parts become scarce and expensive, aftermarket solutions offer modern functionality at competitive prices. These systems provide Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, bringing your aging Volvo up to current technology standards. Installation typically involves aftermarket hardware adapters and professional wiring. These solutions range from $800 to $1,500, significantly less than dealer replacements while providing superior functionality. Consider your long-term needs when choosing a solution. While repairs may work temporarily, aftermarket upgrades provide modern functionality and reliability that will serve you well as your Volvo continues to age.